Hi, I'm Kate Paff, and welcome to the very first episode of the Swope Art Museum Renovation series. Over the next few months, we're taking you behind the scenes of this incredible transformation, from the first swings of the hammer to the moment the doors reopen. If you love art, history, and maybe just a little bit of construction dust, you're in the right place. Here's what's coming up in this 4-part journey. First, we'll take you on a pre-renovation tour and show you the progress so far. You'll meet the crew, see what's changing, and get a feel for the big picture. Then, we'll dig into the hidden stories of the Swope, those fascinating pieces of history and little-known facts that make this museum so special, and hear from the museum team about the vision for the future. In episode 3, we'll give you a sneak peek into what's ahead, from the new educational center and upcoming exhibitions to exciting community programs. And finally, we'll wrap it all up with the final countdown, a grand tour, a look back at the whole process, and your official invitation to the reopening celebration. So whether you're a longtime Swope supporter or just discovering us for the first time, this series is your front row seat to history in the making.